Hello everyone. Today we will see one of the important and basic concept in the number system, that is divisibility. In the divisibility concept, first we must understand the divisibility rule. What is divisibility rule? For example, take any number, for example, n is the number is completely divisible by the number, take a, that is p, in such a way that there is no remainder. It is very important, no remainder. That number what we call as divisibility by the number p. For example, in we can say that it should be a zero remainder. It should be a zero remainder. When p divides the n, we require a zero remainder. This is the divisibility rule. In shortcut, we can say that p completely divides n. This is the simple way understanding the divisibility rule, my dears. Now, divisibility by 2. All even numbers are divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Take example here 34. Yes, it is a even number. 34 divided by 2, it is 17 times. Yes, it is true. All even numbers. Okay, if you take the odd number, we will get the remainder as 1. That is the against the divisibility rule. Divisibility by 3. Okay, sum of the given number must be divisible by 3. Take an example here like 7, 4, 5, 2, 3, 8, 1. Sum of the number is 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 3, 21, 21 plus 3, 29, 29 plus 1, it is 30. 30 divided by 3, yes, it is exactly divides. So the whole number is divisible by 3 also. Next, divisibility by 4. Okay, for the divisibility by 4, take last two digits is divisible by 4. Last two digits you just take and check it whether it is divisible by 4 or not. Take an example here 456. Take last two digits, that is 56. 56 is divisible by 4 one time and 4 times. One time and 4 times. Yes, the whole number 456 is divisible by 4. Like this is the way to find the number is divisible by 4 or not. Next, divisibility by 5. The number ending with 5 or 0. 5 or 0. Such numbers are divisible by 5. Take an example here. For example, 125 ending with 5. Yes, it is divisible by 5. Right? That is 2 times and 5 times. And 110 ending with 0 divisible by 5. Yes, that is 2 times and 2 times, 22 times. In this way, we can easily identify the number is ending with 5 or 0. Such numbers are divisible by 5. Divisibility by 6. This 6 is a factor of 2 and 3. That means the number is divisible by 2 as well as 3. Such numbers are divisible by 6 also. Okay. We know that number divisible by 2, it is a even number, and 3, the sum of the numbers is divisible by 3. Take an example here. For example, 36 is the simple example. Yes, this is a even number, so it is divisible by 2. Yes, and 3, whether check, that is 3 plus 6, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Yes. So this 36 is divisible 6 also. 6 also. In this way, we can cross verify the number is divisible by 6 or not. Divisible by 8. It is same as a 4, but in the 4, we took last 2 digits. But in case of divisibility by 8, we must take last 3 digits. Last 3 digits. Last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. Then only such numbers are divisible by 8. For example, I will take an example here, 816760. Take last 3 digits, my dears, that is 760. Whether check it is divisible by 8 or not. 9 times it is 72 and 4 is the remaining, that is 5 times it is 40. So yes, it is completely divides. So the whole number 81676 is also divisible by 8. In this way, we are going to check the number is divisible by 8 or not. Now the divisibility by 9. Same as 3. The sum of the numbers is divisible by 9 or not. That you just check it. Sum of the number is divisible by 9. Only those numbers are divisible by 9. Okay, take an example here. For example, 6760215. Take random numbers and check it. Sum of the numbers 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 6 19, 19 plus 2 21, 21 plus 1 22, 22 plus 5 27. Is 27 is divisible by 9? Yes, it is 3 times. So the whole number is divisible by 9 also. In this way, we can easily cross verify whether the number is divisible by 9 or not. Next is divisibility by 11. Okay, for this, sum of the odd digit minus sum of even digit. Sum of the odd digit minus sum of the even digit. If the value, whatever the value will get, that is 0 or the multiple of 11, those numbers are divisible by 11. Take an example here like 5 6 7 3 2 1 0 4. Check it, my dears. Odd digit numbers are 1 3 5 7th position. Even digit numbers are 2 4 6 8th position. Take the sum of this one. 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 0 it is 14 only, minus even digit position 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. This is exactly divisible by 11. So I told if the sum of the odd digit minus sum of the even digit, the value should be 0 or 11 or the multiples of 11. That number is divisible by 11. So I can say that this whole number is divisible by 11. Now we will check some of the prime factor number, divisibility of prime factor numbers. For example, divisibility by 7. For this we have 3 steps is there. First step is multiply the number multiplied by the number by 2. This is for the 7, my dears, because in the bracket I mentioned it is minus 2. I'll tell what is this minus 2. Okay. And second step is subtract the value. Subtract the value from the remaining. From the remaining. Okay. Next, third step is repeat step 1 and 2. Step 1 and 2 repeat until whether the number is divisible by 7 or not. You must confirm that one. That's it. Check it how to solve this one. The number I'll take here as 3563. what I told is multiply the number by the 2, because this is the shortcut method, my dears. That's it. So take the last digit and multiply it by the 2. Multiply the last digit. Multiply the last digit number by 2. So multiplied by 2. Okay, you will get the answer. It is 6. Subtract it. It will become 0 and 3, 5. We can easily say that 7 5 times it is 35. So 350 is there. That is 750 times it is 350. Yes, it is divisible by 7. One more example I will show here, my dears. That is divisibility by 13. But here I mentioned here it is 4. So take the last digit and multiply it by the 4. Add the value to the remaining numbers. That's it. That is, number is 73957. Right? Take the last digit and multiply it by 4. You will get the answer 28. Add it. That's it. 3, 2, 3, 7. Take the last digit once again. Multiply it by 4. You will get the answer is 12. Add it. 4, 4, 7. Take the last digit. Multiply it by 4. You will get the answer it is 16. 4 4s are 16. You will get the answer it is, okay, somewhere here it is 2 to 4. 4 3s are 12. It is 16. So here what? So this is 1, my dears, right? 13, 12, 12. So this will becomes 4. If this is 4, this value becomes 5. This is 5. And here if you are going to add 91, you will get. So this number is multiplied by or divisible by 13. That is 6 times. 91 6 times it is 91. So this whole number is divisible by 13. Similarly, we have some other prime factors. For this minus 5, that means multiply the last digit by the 5, subtract the remaining numbers. For the 19, plus 2. For the 23, plus 7. For the 29, plus 3. Plus indicates add and minus indicates subtract. Rest of the procedure, it is same, my dears. Check it for your confirmation. Pause the video and check it, my dears. Fine. Next, couple of example we will see how the question frame on the divisibility concept. If the number 91876 star 2 is completely divisible by 8, then the smallest whole number in place of star will be. We know the divisibility of 8 concept, that is, take last 3 digit and check it, my dears. It is divisible by 8 or not. If I am going to choose the option 1, then the number will become 612. Is it divisible by 8? 8, 7 times it is 56 and 5 is the remainder 52. It is not possible. I can easily say that this is wrong option. And take the second option. 622. You will get the 7 times it is 56 and 62. Yes, this is also not possible. 62 it is not divisible by 8. Next, take the 3, that is 632. Check it. 7 times it is 56 and the remainder it is 72. Yes, 9 times it is 7 times and 9 times it is cancelled. Yes, of course, the option C is the right option. So in this way, we can easily identify whether the number is divisible by 8 or not. That's it. Next example is, which among the following is the smallest 7-digit number that is exactly divisible by 43? Smallest 7-digit number, that means 1 follows 6 zeros, is the smallest 7-digit number, right? Yeah. Whether this number is divisible by 43 completely or not, check it by the general method, and whatever the remainder you will get, you just check which number is suitable. That's it. So you just take the 3-digit number here. 2 times it is 86, right? We will get the remainder as 14. Take this 0, and 3 times it is 129. 3 times 129, and the remainder here it is what? 11. It is 11 is the remainder. Take one more 0, and it will becomes 2 times again it is 86, and the remainder here it is 24. Take one more 0, and 5 times, I can say that 43 into 5, it will becomes 215. Remainder is 25 is the remainder. One more zero is just take, and again it is 5 times, it is 215, and the remainder is 35. Which number, if we are going to add to this 35, it is exactly divisible by 43? Yes, take the difference of these two, that is 43 minus 35, you will get the answer 8. So if you are going to add 8 to this number, this is exactly divisible by 43. So I can easily say that option B is the right option. That's it. These are the some of the examples, and these are the some of the type of question they will ask in the divisibility concept, my dears. Okay, for more questions and for more information, please log on to our social media like Facebook, Instagrams, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, thank you one and all.